So someone contacted me and she said, I am not tech savvy at all. How do you get email addresses? I am not the social media queen and I don't have that many friends there. So I like to focus on the other people besides my friends and family. Well, yeah, it happens. With Black Friday offers around the corner, so many people are looking to how to create Black Friday's offers, how do you get them out. But if you're just starting out, just focus on what you can control right now, and that's starting to create your subscriber list right now. And here are a few ways that don't involve ads and that you can do this easily if you know how to type really on the computer and spending around 15 minutes a day, all right? If not more than 15 minutes, that would be actually even better. So the first strategy is basically social media. If you don't have a big social media account with lots of followers and friends, then start creating it and start connecting with people. Just make sure that you don't push them too much to join your groups. Actually get to know them and offer valuable information. Try to help them out. Make sure that you direct people to your bio, to your opt-in form, but don't push. Again, this is more connection and engagement and networking than anything else. And also participate in groups where your target market lives. It can be a meetup on Facebook, but again, just pick 2 to 3 social media accounts and stay consistent, posting, answering comments, and being present as much as possible. Offer value in each and every post, and not just in groups, but in people's timelines as well, all right? Now, the second strategy has nothing to do with social media, okay? This is connecting with people that may be in a similar market. And the best example I can explain this is, say you're a coach who helps overwhelmed moms, and those coaches can actually partner with people who help children improve in school. It's the same target market, but they're completely different products. This is called affiliate marketing, where you're getting people's audiences that are not your own, and you're targeting them and offering a service or a product, okay? The next one is if you have a website. So if you have a website, work on the SEO. It takes time to rank for certain keywords. So make sure that your website has an opt-in form so that people can actually give you their email. And all of this to say is that you need some kind of form, all right? It's not just a website and ranking, but it's also maybe a pop-up form or a link where you can direct people so that they can give you their email address. But just all of these are different strategies. You want to just pick one at a time, doing it consistently for months. You're not going to get results overnight, and you're not going to gain 100 of emails a day. But it's really a good start where you're not spending all of this money and you're just spending your time, all right? So whenever you're ready to scale, then you can create some ads, do more JV partnerships, speak at events, do a promo contest within your followers, or other ways. But first, the first step, if you don't want to spend the money, if you want to spend the time and learn it and get to connect, this is a great way to do this, okay? Again, there's probably a million ways to grow your list so that you can have those emails. And these are just very few examples that are not investing tons of money, but it will take time. So essentially, you just have to choose if you want to invest in time or money. I hope this is a good start for you. Even if you don't have that many followers on social media, don't be scared. Launch your Black Friday strategy to your social media accounts, whoever it is there. It will give you practice so that you can do it again next year. And it will give you also a way for you to start connecting with the people that you already have there. All right. And if you have an email list, even if it's a small email list, you can still launch it, you know? So I hope this helps. I hope this gives you some ideas. Be consistent. Take the time to do it. It's going to be really, really worth it for your business. Have a good rest of your week. Have a great weekend, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.